Lower your left leg to the mat and squeeze your right knee into your chest. Stretch your right arm out to the side, palm facing down. Hook your right foot behind your left inner thigh and gently guide your right knee towards the floor in the opposite direction. Look to the right and let your entire body relax. Last breath in. Exhale, come back to center. Hug your left knee into your chest and lower your right leg to the mat. Stretch your left arm out to the side. Hook your left foot behind your right inner thigh and twist your left knee over towards the right. Look to the left and completely relax into the pose. Last breath in. Exhale, come back to center. Hug your knees into your chest.